What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below your thoughts on my hairstyle. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a slick back bun. So I tried to do a wash and go. This is my second time washing my hair today because the wash and go failed. So I'm just gonna put it into a bun because I really don't got time to sit here and do a whole wash and go again. So I'm going to just do a bun. And I just finished washing my hair for the second time. So let's get into it. Ooh, look at it. It look crazy, y'all. I just did a quick co-wash because I already washed and conditioned and did all of that in the shower. And I was not about to do it again. So first, I'm just gonna section off the back of my hair. I want to cut my hair again. Like, I want to just make it short again because this is not it, y'all. Moisturize with this Mayo avocado milk. And I'm gonna take my Eco Styler, the argan oil, like this much, y'all. This is a lot, I know, but we trying to lay this thing down, honey. Want a middle part, so Y'all know my hair is still short, so it takes a lot of work and stuff to get it. Y'all see that? Look at that. Oh, baby. Look at that. Pans after, and like make sure I pin it down so when I tie it, it'll stay flat. So I'm gonna work on this side next. This is the secret sauce to a slick back for type 4 hair. I'm telling y'all. All right, y'all, so this is the final look. I did leave my hair wrapped for about 30 minutes, but I'm gonna leave it overnight. I'm about to go to sleep, so in the morning of that. But so far, y'all, I like it, you know. I'm definitely contemplating cutting my hair back short, so let me know down below if I should, but this is my final look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see y'all next week.